Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speedy lesson, looking at lesson number 19, 5 words of the day. Today's words are as follow. Result. Poelo. 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 Process. Tshepedišo. 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 Order. Tatelano. 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 Note. Hlokomela. 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 Or lemoga. 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 Method. Mokgwa. 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 Or tsela. 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 Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switch in 2020.